If you need to change the data structure according to the requirements of your organization, our admin company will be able to help you. There are several options for this. Open the admin menu to bring up the sections and fields menu, or click on the pencil icon to open the employee card. Now we create a new section using the plus sections button, or you can edit an existing section by clicking the gear next to the name. The left side is your sections or sections of information. The right side is a list of fields that you can use to build your data structure. The central part is a visual designer for data management. Let's, for example, create a new education section for our employees. We need fields: secondary, higher education, academic degree, and graduation dates. Now drag and drop the required fields in the section. Now let's change the field settings. To do this, click on the gear. We have added fields for the left side, and on the right we will set comments. For this, go to the right column of the employee card window. Add fields. Now save our schema for education. Let's see how it worked out. We will select any employee, and we can enter information about him in a new section. Didn't like the data layout? Not a problem, you can quickly switch to the edit mode, the gear next to the section name. Congratulations, you were able to create a data structure for your employees in a couple of minutes with a couple of clicks. Likewise, you can create or edit new sections and fields for your company and organization needs. Are you interested? Try it for free. Visit our admin page on the Atlassian Marketplace.